April 12 noon. So a lot of the tobacco field are harvested, and so you see these barns spread all over the place. It's really hot, so I'm going to install a temperature gauge in the barn. I want to monitor the temperature over time. Across the river they're harvesting something. I'm not sure. I think it's onions. So I'm back here again. The tobacco field. So they've been working away at the tobacco, priming, and then skewering the tobacco field. So the barn number 1 has larger leaves. Barn number 2 has smaller leaves. And barn number 3 has also smaller leaves. And barn number 4. So oh my goodness, it's already full. Okay, gotta find out what's going on. So the guys are having lunch. It's hot. So I installed the meter, and I'll get data to see how the temperature behave over time. So it seems like well, I don't know. So we filled up 4 barns. Now we're filling up the number 5 barns. So there's something that we didn't understand. Like, it seems like we need more barns, but I don't know. The thing to understand is the overlap. Like, by the time we do priming number 2, will we have barns to fill up? Hopefully there will be. We just don't know. So that's I don't know if we need to build a barn. I don't know. Like it's a question mark. Just ruminating. So interesting. Tobacco. Look like growing tobacco in the Philippines is a generating generates a lot of funds. So we'll see how it goes. So here the plants are trimmed, so the leaves are taken off. This part, the leaves hasn't been taken off, so there's still quite a bit. So 1 hectares. So using this unit of measurement, 1 hectare, we'll see what we learn from this. The planning of the barn next time. Do we add 2 more barns? So that's basically some data points that needs to be considered. So I put a temperature probe in here. The highest reading is around 50 degrees. I installed this in the middle. The Bluetooth signal is being interfered with, so I brought it out. So we'll just see in general what the temperature is like, but it's fairly hot. The heat index is 68 degrees C. My goodness,